Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to get a free month of Discord Nitro. This is because Epic Games is, he got a promotion for using Discord Nitro, and they are give it to you a 1 month a free month of Discord Nitro. So if you want to get that free month, you need to search here the application of or the page I search. You pick here, and after that you need to or download the application for the desktop, or you can log in your account for connect the Discord Nitro with your account of Discord. So I show you how you can get the free month, and but I don't start the I don't. So if you want to search where is the Discord Nitro, the free month, you need to go to the search store, and you pick and you type in this, and after that you need to pick here in Discord Nitro, and after that the only thing you need to do is go down and pick here in free get. So after you do that, you get the option, and Epic Games send to you an email with the link for reclaim that free month of Discord Nitro. And after that, you automatically Epic Games give it to you the free month, and your pay account of Discord got the Discord Nitro, the free month of Discord Nitro. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.